Thank you for joining me. I'm Cynthia, and this is the Body, Mind, and Spirit channel. So many people in the world today feel very disconnected and unloved and alone. And this is for many reasons. But the base is love. A disconnectedness from divine, unconditional love. The love that we were created with, that was meant to be expressed on this earth. Perhaps we did not have a family environment where there were two parents who committed to each other from a deep love and understanding, a desire to leave a lineage that would continue to grow long after they left this earth. Perhaps we were not shown true divine love and given the nurturing and education that you can only get in a solid, loving, functional family union. Others may have experienced that and had so much love and passion that they wanted to share that so much with the right partner, only to find that the love they had to give wasn't wanted, needed, or respected on any level. Others found that love only to become abandoned at some point or to lose it through a catastrophic situation prematurely. And unless we are very enlightened and have a lot of faith in God and have consciously chosen to align ourselves with that divinity, we will always ask why it isn't fair. And the door is opened for anger, resentment, and bitterness. And when this comes, there is always a loss of hope. And once we begin to live in that hopelessness, it reflects on every level of our lives, and we cannot see a future of love in our lives. And this is reflected in every society of the world today, in every country of the world, and in many places, such as the USA, fewer people are finding each other, and there are less marriages, and as a result, more people are alone. And those who are searching are very frustrated because they are not meeting someone who fits the criteria that they are looking for. I see this so often. There is so much pressure and so much struggle. And with that comes a lot of demands. And these demands are often very unrealistic because they are based on need. And if we look closely at ourselves, especially those who are making lists of what they want another person to have, then we must honestly look at what is lacking within ourselves that we don't have, and understand that we have a void that we are desiring to be filled. And as human beings, I can tell you this right now, it is a very unrealistic way to look at a partnership. The eternal flame of love is perpetual. This is because we are created in that love. And whether we believe that we are loved or not, that doesn't matter. We are always loved by the Creator and the angelic forces, even in the times that we are repelling that love and it isn't manifesting in our lives. It is always there. The key is in our acceptance and our alignment with the divine and our willingness to surrender to that unseen force. That love that created us, no matter what we are going through at any given time, no matter how bleak and dark the appearance looks, that eternal flame of creation is perpetual, and it burns brightly, shining through the darkest night of the soul. I will leave you with this. I wish you love on your journey.